Jagoro mongirore migawo mar arita Laktar Omollo koro siemo wang' riwruoge mag mok mag piny owacho mayudo omenda kowuok kuom jochiw kony moko ni oneni omenda no tigo e yo makare. Omollo ne lero ni ber mondo riwruoge oneni omenda ok otigo e siro timbe njore, komedo ni piny owacho oseketo makare mar neno ni onge riwruok ma obayo yo. Laktar Omollo ne olero magi kinde mane oyuore nyasi mar sidho ayanga lipot mar geng'o tiyo marach gi omenda ma kamago.
So since we rated this one, the details within the report itself. In measures, we look at the laws in While the assessed threat level remain low to medium, we cannot afford to be complacent, and the risk assessment identifies key areas which, in my view, require our attention. And they include non-profit organizations operating in regions with active terrorist activities, particularly along our borders. Then number 2 is lack of adequate financing controls among some organizations. I'm aware we have a number of organizations operating as PBOs who for years have been unable to file their returns or even have disclosures on how they receive their resources